Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads on a Hyundai Kona. First, prioritize safety by gathering all necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface and that the parking brake is firmly engaged. Always wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the entire procedure. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful brake pad replacement. Once the vehicle is safely supported, you can begin removing the old brake components. Start by loosening the lug nuts, then raise the car and secure it firmly on jack stands. After removing the wheel, locate and unbolt the two caliper guide pin bolts. Gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the brake rotor, being careful not to put any strain on the brake hose. Finally, remove the worn-out brake pads from the caliper bracket. Now it is time to install your new brake pads. First, use a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool to carefully compress the caliper piston back into its housing. Next, install any new brake pad shims. Then slide the new brake pads securely into the caliper bracket. Carefully guide the caliper back over the rotor and tighten the two guide pin bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Finally, replace the wheel and hand tighten the lug nuts. With the new pads installed, it is crucial to perform final checks. Lower the vehicle and fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's torque specification, typically around 80 to 90 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm, seating the new pads against the rotors. Check your brake fluid reservoir and top it off if needed. Drive cautiously for the first 100 to 200 miles, performing gentle stops to properly bed in the new pads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.